Park in Rowlett, Texas. My favorite park to do some birding. And today actually I'm looking for baby ducks. And it's kind of, I never saw baby ducks in this pond here. Even there are lots of birds. Never saw baby birds. And maybe today is my lucky day. Let's go and see if we can find any. And of course I have my Canon R6 Mark II camera with 100 to 400 millimeter lens plus 2x extender. And let's see what we can find today. Hopefully some baby birds. Hopefully we can find baby birds, but I see real babies. Somebody's walking with a little baby. Very strange. There's usually lots of birds in this pond. Now I see just 2 Canadian geese, a couple, and I see my regular ducks swimming there. I think that's a Swedish blue duck, maybe, I'm not sure. And there's another one right here, coming closer to me. Here they are. Baby mallards. I see 3 of them. Baby mallards. Beauty. Look at them. Oh, so cute. Let's go and take some pictures. Wow, this one found. Oh, there's another one. Looks like there's more than 3. I see 4. There's 4 little ducks with mama. Wow, so cute. They are nicely settled down. The mama is still grooming herself. And there's 2 baby ducks in 2 pairs, just resting. And proud papa is resting too. I'm going to let them rest, and I'm going to see if I can find any other